Did you ever wonder what is to be done with overripe black bananas? Let's make this very easy, moist, fluffy banana cake pops on stove and banana cupcakes in oven. Enjoy baking this perfect holiday recipe. I'm Mano and welcome to Mano Cooks. If you're new here, please click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon next to it. Please watch the full video for tips and tricks. Take a bowl. Let's add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour or Maida in a sieve. Next, add 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cinnamon powder. You can also add quarter teaspoon cardamom powder if you do not have cinnamon powder. Let's sift everything with a sieve so that there are no lumps. Mix the dry ingredients and let's keep it aside. Now take a big bowl and add 3 banana into it. Banana should be overripe. If they are not, just put it in a baking tray and bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes until you see bananas are cooked and black in color. That's how we need it for this recipe. Now peel the banana and add them. Use a fork or a potato masher to mash them well. Please do not puree them in a blender or a mixie jar. Add quarter cup of curd or yogurt, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. You can skip it if you don't have. Mix everything well. And all the ingredients need to be in room temperature. That means no taking out from fridge and cooking right away. Two eggs at room temperature. Mix well. Add 5½ tablespoon melted butter. Add oil if you don't have butter. Just give everything a nice mix. We mix it in the same direction. Let's add the dry mixture in 3 or 4 parts. Every time after adding the dry flour mix, fold them into the wet mixture, working in the same direction until all the flour has well incorporated in. Same way, repeat it with all the batches. We are just trying to mix both wet and the dry ingredients, so no much beating the mix is required. Just go in the same direction and mix everything until you don't see any white flour in the mixture. Some things are simpler, the merrier and the tastier, and this is one such recipe. You don't need any big mixer or fancy ingredients. Let's quickly add the cupcake liners on the pan and pour 2 tablespoon mix into each cup or fill them just halfway. If you do not have cupcake molds, please grease the pan nicely and pour the batter in. Top it with finely chopped walnut or pecans or almonds or chocolate chip. And if you like this recipe, please do let me know in the comment section down below and click on like button too. Preheat the oven at 375 Fahrenheit or 190 C and bake for 5 minutes. Reduce the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 C and bake for next 15 minutes. Once a toothpick comes clean and you see nice bit of brown top layer, we can just take them out. For the cutest version of this banana cake, let's cook them on Paniyaram pan or Appam pan. They are definitely the cuties. Give it a try. Take the pan and apply melted butter generously on all the holes. Just fill it halfway with the cake mix. Say maybe 1 small spoon batter would do. Top it again with chopped nuts and place it on stove on medium flame. This is actually a very simple and quick recipe which totally would take just 30 minutes or so. Trust me, not any longer. So great for a lazy day breakfast or an evening snack. Needless to say, this is one super good fail-proof recipe. When you see the batter raised up little bit, cover the pan with a lid. After 10 minutes, let's open it And if you see the sides are browned, use a skewer and a spoon to gently turn it upside down. Reduce the flame to low now and let it cook for 2 minutes. We are done with banana muffins, absolutely perfect to satisfy our sweet tooth during these quarantine days. Take a toothpick and pierce in the middle, and if it comes out clean, we can take them out. It takes 12 to 14 minutes in the Appam pan. Watch out and remember to save some for yourself cause they are tempting, delicious, tiny little muffins that almost gets devoured as soon as they are out from pan. Enjoy baking. Please let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. Please do subscribe, click the bell icon, share and like, and keep watching all my videos for easy home recipes. Thanks for watching. Stay home and stay safe.